for posterity, so they can all see me cry on YouTube. Nobody's clipped, right? Okay. All right, so here's the deal. Like, don't even like think about it. You just hit it, go straight to that post, right? The one to the left.
So you go up over the...
We're gonna go up and over, length like this, real tight, and then big tall steps, and he's gonna get just at an angle, okay?
Big tall step.
Yep, it's still getting higher. Keep going. That's cold. How you doing?
Good.
Big steps. Remember I was talking about how hot I was? This way. See that pole? We have 2 crossings to do. Straight at it. This one might be a little deeper. Oh. Oh. Got a little deep there. I'm not gonna lie. Holy crap! Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Keep moving, keep moving. Let's get to the next one. Don't think about it. It's okay. Oh, this way? Where's the next pole? I don't see it. All right. A little muddy right there, watch yourself. All right, same deal. Watch that sweeper right there and that sweeper there. Let's just stay to the left of both of them, okay? Well, we're gonna have to snake it right through here, kind of at an angle like this, and then we can go back out wide again, okay?
Okay, so through those, like next to this, and then around that one.
Yeah, and then same thing, we'll stay to the left of the other one, but I think we should be able to go all wide at that point, right? Like, so you're gonna kind of go first, we're gonna kind of all flip.
Behind you.
Okay.
All right, let's go. This shouldn't be bad right here. Yeah, right? Back out, so Monica's gonna swing. It's gonna drop. Okay, we're good, let's go.
Which way are we going?
Let's take it,
This
no, this way.
Okay.
To the left of the thing. Feet up, feet up. And all right. It's like a little, look at my feet, legs, they're like bright red. All right, last one coming up. Oh.
Yeah.
This we can, I think we can just walk this one. Yeah, just go straight across. Okay, 2-person links. Woo!
Yes, refreshing. That's the word for it.
High fives up top.
Well done.
High fives.
Yeah.